welcome to the IT Voice Tech News. Today, I got a chance to interact with Nitish Gulati, Country Manager of Pantum India. Very warm welcome, Nitish, to the IT Voice viewers. So, let's begin with the journey. Can you please tell us about the kind of a role you are handling in Pantum and the kind of a strategies that you are looking for the 2026?
Okay, first of all, thanks a lot for this opportunity. So my name is Nitish Gulati. So I'm country manager for Pantum India. So currently I'm handling my role is handling the sales plus the distribution expansion in all the Indian market. So currently we have our 38 regional distributors in India, and we have one national distributor, Keynes Technology, and close to 500 tier 3 partners, right? So our now major focus is currently to expand our reach in tier 3 tier 4 cities. So currently we have a very good market share currently in T1 and T2 cities, especially in Delhi we have the highest market share. Plus yes, now being the very efficient in pricing and a good aggressive schemes, so we now much more want to focus much more on tier 4 tier 5 cities, tier 3 tier 4. So we have seen our sales have increased drastically in Amazon. And when we check the data, so major of our customers were in T3 and T4 cities. Because those customers are much focused on the pricing and with the best product. So this is how we have reached as a strategical part to focus much more on tier 4 and tier 5 and tier 3 cities, especially in this year 2026.
And you are continuously working with the partners, resellers. So how do you identify the right partner and the distributor to get it on board for the Pantum?
Yes, so at the Pantum we have very clear idea. We wanted to hire or we wanted to engage or collaborate with those partners who can sell of their own. Since we have we want all those partners who can invest in our brand and can help us in expanding the different markets. We don't want any of the partners who just want to invest the money. We want those partners who come and goes with us hand in hand and sell their product, help us in expansion, and consider Pantum brand as their own brand, right? Nothing like this again an OEM brand. We want those partners who wanted to go to a market and consider their brand as their own brand, like their own bread and butter. So we are only focusing on those partners, right? If you see, for all our partners, they are engaged with us for a long time. Also, like we have a very good partner called Metrobit in Gujarat. He's our oldest partner. He's only selling only one printer bag, that is printers. Similarly, we have in Delhi, we have Elcom, who is the biggest distributor for laptops in Lenovo. But they only one brand called Pantum with them. So we are looking for those partners who can really help us in expanding and can sell and go with us in expanding the market.
We talk about the engagement with the partners. So what kind of strategies are you opting to engage with the partners? You must have to give them a training about the printing hardware. So what kind of things that you are doing it for the partners?
So for the partners, when we collaborate, when we start discussion with them, first of all, we have we are giving an exclusive manpower on their payrolls for them who can go with them and expand the market. We wanted them to go, we wanted to be engaged with all the partners personally. That's why we are giving them exclusive manpowers like an F1 who can go into the market. Secondly, we are giving them all the marketing schemes. We want them to run their marketing schemes, right? We are giving them the fund or budget to run their own schemes locally, because India have a different portfolio, different cultures. So like in Chennai, different scheme will vary, in Delhi different skill vary. So we are giving a locally scheme to all our partners who can because they can run their own market. So that's how we are expanding. We are giving them exclusive all the marketing items, exclusive schemes, and we are also giving them an opportunity to work on the service part also. We are also giving them the service centers, because service plays a very important role. So if they have the trust on the service, so they can really help us in growing that market.
You said that you'll be looking after for the expansion in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So what kind of strategies there you are specifically for that region? What kind of strategies are you opting to increase the partners, to tell them about the Pantum, to sell the Pantum products?
So we are focusing now. We are giving each and every partner a storefront. We wanted to open in each tier 3, tier 4 exclusive Pantum stores. If you see, the currently where we lacked was proper marketing. So now we are focusing much more on the marketing part. We are going to local local agencies or local IT associations, where we are starting interactive with them, taking them doing them events in their association meets. We are opening a storefront, especially a Pantum exclusive stores in all the small tier 3, tier 4, tier 5 cities. Our plan is to at least one exclusive Pantum store in each and every city This is the main expansion. So this year we are going to open more than 50 stores in India that will be considered as exclusive Pantum stores, like a storefront. So our engagement, our discussions are already aligned with our tier 3 and tier 3 partners, and very soon you will see a close to 50 Pantum stores open in India in this year.
Okay, so and how do you like take care of the channel profitability? Like there is a pricing issues and pricing pressure as well with the market expansion. So how do you are taking care of that?
So I, first of all, being a Pantum, we are very much confident on our product. We haven't received even more less than 1% of complaint regarding our products, regarding our technology part. So if you see, we are much more advanced in the technological part. Very soon you will see a huge portfolio is coming. By the end of February, you will see a huge portfolio coming. So definitely price also plays a very important role. So we are very well equipped. We are very much focusing on all our competitors, what they are doing. Whenever we see any change or any aggressive pricing being done by the competition, we take some correction step, or else we give the give our T3 T4 cities a much more confident in terms of service plus. If you see, pricing always comes on the last part for us. We are very much very competent into the pricing part. If you see all other brands, we are already very much competent. We haven't faced such kind of pricing refers to the competitor, but yes, our main focus is to give all our partners a huge profitability, that which we are focusing on, and all our scheme and all our various schemes, a rebate scheme, all our schemes are only focusing to give a profitability to our partners.
Okay, so you must be receiving some sort of feedbacks from your partners, like the channel partners, and might be like the negative one or the positive one. So how do you resolve their negative, like the feedback you are getting?
Yes, so currently the negative feedback which we are receiving was, first of all, was on the service part, right? Because our service expansion was
one
not
of the
there.
most crucial.
Yes, so service expansion was not there. So recently we have opened our two new national service providers, like Unique and Sysnet. So now we are working with them. Very soon we are planning to open one more exclusive service provider for South region. So at least we wanted to reach to the core level why the service was getting delayed, because one partner was not able to handle the service part. Secondly, now we are also opening ASCs in the local areas. Like I already said, we are opening ASCs with our T2's partners with the help of them, so that at least our ASCs should be able to be available on each and tier 3 and tier 4 cities. Because earlier all our ASCs were available at only T1 cities. So going to one city to a different city was taking a lot of time. So now we are opening all our ASCs locally also, so that at least we can reduce the transit time. Second, then the spare part availability. Earlier we were facing a huge shortage of spare parts. So now all our spare parts are available with our T1, that is Keynes technology. Plus also we are billing all our spare parts, that is non-warranty spare parts, to all our T2s also. So whenever a customer needs, so they can immediately buy that spare parts from our regional distributors. So this is how we are billing printers also, consumables also, and the spare part also, to reduce such kind of a delay in the service.
You said like you are selling through the Amazon as well. So for these channels, like service support is the same, like that you said, like one needs to fill the form or something like that?
No, service remains the same for all the customers. For us, whenever a customer reaches to us, we will authorize that invoice first, because we have exclusive Amazon partners. We are onto two platforms. One is Amazon and second is Moglix, which is handled directly by the Pantum. We have authorized partners who are dealing with these partners. If the if the invoice is genuine and purchased from the right partner, there will be no issues in terms of services. We will consider that as our own when purchased from any partner. So there's no such issues. Secondly, if you have talked about Amazon and Moglix, to take care of the partner's profitability and to take care of channel profitability, we have differentiated the products. For Amazon, they are different products. For Moglix, they are different products. For channel, they are different products. So at least we should maintain the channel profitability and channel confidence.
So I just last I wanted to know, like, what kind of incentives and the the promotions and the offerings are you giving for the partners in the 2026?
So for this year, our major focus is that we will be doing lot of outstation meets out of India meets for our channel, for our T3s now. Since we have a stable distribution structure in terms of T1, that is our national distributor, then our regional distributors. So now our core focus will be on T3s. So we'll be launching a lot of scheme for the T3, like an end user scheme for the end customers also, like Amazon vouchers. We are planning to come with Amazon vouchers or some freebies. Or like we are also coming up with some like buy some printers, get some iPhone. We're coming up with the iPhone scheme also, and also some freebies for the T2s and T3s also. So all our scheme are related to T3 partners and customers part, basically. So major focus will be on the end customers and the T3.
So at last, like any message that you want to convey to the channel community?
So first of all, thanks a lot for your support last year. With all your support, we grew by 36% last year. So we are really looking for your support in 2026. So this year we are coming with lot of products, lot of we'll be having a complete portfolio with Pantum. Like we are also coming with inkjet printers. We are also coming with A3 printers by the end of March. So we have a complete portfolio of inkjet, laser, and A3. Looking forward to your support, and trust us, we will be there to support you in each and every way. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much, Nitish, for interacting with us. Thank you.